This bookcase is nice. I've never been in one that look like a bazaar. They got the thing set up all nice, all the souvenirs and stuff and snacks and let me quit playing. What's up, y'all? It's been a minute, but I wanted to bring you guys along on this road trip getaway that I went on, and it was literally in the middle of nowhere. Literally in the middle of nowhere. I had no cell phone reception. Wasn't much to do but stuff that involved nature. I think that detaching from what's going on around us is extremely important every now and then, because we get so distracted and stuff that really doesn't matter. You know, we're so consumed with work, we're so consumed with social media and building businesses or whatever it may be that we don't get time to ourselves. So getaways are highly recommended. If anybody was to ask me what my definition of peace is, this would definitely be it. We booked a double queen bed, which was in alignment with the mood that I was in. So let's take a look inside. Alright, so all of the things that were included online under the description for the cabin, that's what was there. I'm not gonna fully go into details, but when they said minimalist lifestyle, they meant minimalist lifestyle, okay? But this cabin is definitely big enough to fit 4 people in. I thought that it was super cozy. I love the platform bed that they had. It gives you plenty of space to leave your items, but it's not recommended that you bring too much. So the restroom was small. I forgot to get a video of the shower, guys, but there is a shower included. The first aid kit came in handy. I didn't actually see a lock on the cell phone lockbox, but this is a place to put your cell phone so you can detach from the world and enjoy whoever you brought along with you to do something like take a hike on this walking trail that they do have on the campsite. Very peaceful and relaxing. We were able to see some beautiful little deers 1 a.m. When we were in our cabin. And we also took a trip to a local bee farm, which they actually had their land set up very nice. They weren't able to do a tour for us because that was closed through the weekend. It's only open through the week, but they still had a lot of nice things inside of the store that they do have. So honey sticks, beeswax, anything related to a bee and honey, they sold it in their store, which I thought was super dope, including this cute little candle that I found. Quick little, yeah. And you're able to taste the flavored honey that they do offer at the cute little bar that I just showed. And this was my first time actually seeing a honeycomb. I thought this was super cool. Got to see it up close and up personal. I was so intrigued watching these little busy bees do their thing. This was overall a nice little experience. So we did a little shopping in this store, learned a little bit, then we went out to explore the other things that they had to offer. They really know how to utilize their land. There was a stage for performances, and I also found this.
What the fuck I ran into? I was just talking about this. You gotta play with me.
So after I got done kicking tail and tetherball, because it's what I do best, we went to visit the Rhinory, which specialized in a type of wine called mead, and which was very interesting. They only use honey and water to make it, so that was interesting. But take a listen.
And then you try it and you write down what you think about it.
Higher alcohol, we're calling imperial meads. It just means they're going to be similar in style and body to wine, 11 to 13% alcohol. 6 through 12 are our session meads. They're lower alcohol, more like a cider or beer, some lighter body. Number 1 is only honey. It's kind of the baseline of what we do. It's a traditional mead. So everything else is what we want to use. So it's all honey and fresh fruit, and it tastes like what it looks like. So for your flight, you're going to pick 4. Just pick based on what flavor combinations I'm going to get. Alright, is this together or separate? Together.
And that's it, guys. I tried to record the distillery, but the phone went dead. So we tried to make s'mores, but it was so dark outside that we just decided to do it indoors. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more like this, comment and let me know. But I will be back soon.